Hello everyone and welcome to WowSilao. I think you all can agree that Kajal pencils can really bring out your face and amplify your features. So today in this video, I will be giving a review of Blue Heaven Soft Kajal Eyeliner. It is a made in India product infused with antioxidants and enriched with aloe vera, who are good for your eyesight. This pencil eyeliner cum kajal is very handy and easy to carry, and the best thing, you don't need to carry kajal and eyeliner separately. ये दोनों का काम करता है. This product has a fine tip that is soft and easy to wear, which lasts up to 12 hours. To apply the kajal, draw a neat stroke starting from the inner corner of the eye and slowly extend towards the outer, and repeat the same process for lower lid. It comes in 3 shades: black, true blue and green queen. It is also provided with a sharpener to give further fine tip and gives life to my eyes when it look tired and weary. It gives intense black and smoky eye. This product is great and has a smooth tip and 2 times intense dark pigmentation. It is an amazing product at amazingly low price. So, to order, the link is given in the description box. Thank you.